Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Strong Warrior. How are you? I'm having a fabulous day. I hope you are too. I finally got a day off after like 8 days of straight work, 12-hour days. It's been insane. So, I'm very happy to be here. Very happy to be on my lax. I know my New York City people are having an amazing weekend. That Puerto Rican Day Festival is popping, and tomorrow the parade will commence. So, shout out to all my Boricuas all over the world and our honorary affiliates and Altaino tribes and all of that jazz. We love you. We love you a lot. Okay. With that being said, we got Mother Nature here, the provider of the elements, Miss Goddess Gaia. 3131 is for material manifestations, okay, of our ideas coming into fruition. Let's get it popping with this tarot, okay? Okay, 7 of coins. Ooh, 7 of cups, 4 cups, 5 of cups. Wow, a lot of water sign energy coming through. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or just an emotional situation brewing at the time, okay? It seems like someone's in their head about their options, okay? And it's taking an emotional toll on them. There's past energy, there's future energy, there's present energy, okay? And it does seem like someone is, yes, they're keeping their options open, but at the same token, it's like really fine-tooth combing the situation, not wanting to be disappointed anymore. Finally getting out of their head, you know what I'm saying? And realizing they've been dwelling in the past a little too long. Okay? A little too long, that maybe they could miss an opportunity with an option that they have available to them, right? Sometimes our options could close on us. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes our options decide they don't want to be an option no more. Okay, so somebody got out of their head with this 4 and 5. Somebody progressed because I feel like they were on their high horse. Okay, yep. Somebody has some sort of inner conflict, and I think there was too much in their head and too much doing outside work that they couldn't see where they were going.